Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a yearly reading for Leo for the year 2026. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Now let's see what do the cards have. In this reading we will see the overall energy for 2026, key obstacles, challenges, guidance and the probable outcome for your health, love, relationship, career, finances. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you Leo for 2026. Overall energy for Leos for 2026. Please tell me what's the overall energy we have for Leo for 2026. Overall energy for Leo. Wow. Okay. Please help me with the obstacles or challenges we have for Leo. Obstacles or challenges for Leo for 2026. For Leo, please. Obstacles and challenges for Leo, please. Obstacles and challenges for Leo, please. Okay. All right. Let's see what's the guidance we have for Leo. What is the guidance message we have for Leo for 2026? Guidance for Leo for 2026. What is the guidance we have for Leo for 2026? What is the guidance we have for Leo for 2026? What is the guidance we have for Leo? Please help me with the guidance message for Leo. What is the guidance message we have for Leo? Too many cards are falling off. Okay. Now let's see what is the probable outcome we have for Leo. Probable outcome for Leo, please. One more, please. Please clarify the Wheel of Fortune. Please clarify the Wheel of Fortune. Please clarify the Wheel of Fortune as a probable outcome for Leo. Please clarify Wheel of Fortune as a probable outcome for Leo. Please clarify Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So bottom of the deck we have the Queen of Swords. So bottom of the deck energy is basically the energy you are dealing with lately, or you're having the thoughts or energies subconsciously which you may or may not be sharing with everyone or actually considering it. Okay, so the energy here is the Queen of Swords, which is basically that you are being logical instead of emotional. Okay, आप ना चीजों को बहुत लॉजिकली देख रहे हो, आप इमोशंस को ओवरपावर नहीं होने दे रहे हो, विच इज अ गुड थिंग. एंड यू आर हैविंग दैट फोर साइटेडनेस. ओके, वेरी क्लियर कट इन योर communication, very clear in your boundaries, being non-tolerant, no tolerance for chaos, drama and unnecessary conflict. Okay, it's like protecting your peace. जो भी confusion है, you are able to see through. Okay, you are able to see through things, through situations, and there are no confusions anymore, and you are being very clear in your communication. जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है, you have created boundaries, or you are planning to create boundaries. Okay, which is a very good thing, and you are standing your ground. Okay, so it's like you're not having underconfidence energy anymore. You are confident, you are authoritative, and you are very clear in your communication. You may also be getting different kind of creative ideas, thoughts, so on how you can move on or work on certain things. Okay, it can be in your relationship, health, career, anything, but you are having so much of clear thoughts on how you have to take the next step. That is the energy I'm getting here for you, Leo. That's a very good thing. Now the overall energy for you, Leo, during the year is 3 of Pentacles, which tells me that, and which is telling me that you need to collaborate. Okay, अगर आप लोगों से मिल नहीं रहे हो, so there is need for you to collaborate. You need to meet people. Okay, I also see for some of you, you might be meeting someone who will be kind of a mentor to you, someone who will guide you, someone who will help you to see things clearly and help you or guide you to move on from a particular situation or how to deal in a particular situation. उस तरह की energy है. There is this energy that you are also ready to showcase what you have done or you have achieved. Okay, you are not afraid, or if you are afraid, then you need to come out in public. Okay, you need to come out of that hidden energy and meet people. Okay, also I see that there is a need for you to get into that teamwork energy. Okay, you need to अगर ऐसा कोई आपके वर्क प्लेस में ऐसा कुछ है जहाँ पे अभी तक यू वर वर्किंग सेपरेटली, नाउ देयर इज दिस एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग द ईयर दैट यू नीड टू वर्क इन अ टीम. You also may get that leadership role, or where you will have to handle a team, or you need to work with a team. Okay, that is also the message I am getting here for you. When it comes to your health, I see that if there is something which is bothering you, so there, for very few of you, it can be that you need to, there may be a need, or you may yourself opt for meeting a counselor who can understand you, listen to you without any judgment. Okay, that is also I am getting. As I said, आप किसी mentor से, किसी guide से ऐसे मिल सकते हो, किसी senior ऐसे person से मिल सकते हो जो आपको guide करे, आपको आगे का रास्ता समझाने में, आपको चीज़ों को समझने में और life का different path को समझाने में आपको कहीं ना कहीं help कर दे. उस तरह की energy भी is what I am getting. Also, I see that when it comes to your finances, you will be taking help from a guiding or experienced person, a senior person who will give you so much of clarity and बोलते हैं ना, बहुत स्ट्रैटेजिकली आप कैसे अपने फाइनेंसेस को ग्रो कर सकते हो, उस चीज में भी वो आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. देयर इज दैट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो बेसिकली ड्यूरिंग द ईयर इज you have to collaborate. Okay, you have to meet people, you have to collaborate, you have to talk to people, you have to come out of that isolation and come out basically. आपको भीड़ में मतलब वो कि ना अलग नहीं रहना है, अब आपको बाहर आना है. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. नाउ द ऑब्स्टिकल हियर फॉर यू इज, आप जो यहाँ पे ना समथिंग वाज डिफिकल्ट टू डील विद which ended, and you are dealing with the situation with so much of maturity and clarity, but कुछ indecisiveness है. आप ना किसी चीज का decision नहीं ले पाओगे. If there is something you need to decide, you won't be able to take a decision because you are not able to see clearly. And to see the things clearly, you have to take some guidance. Okay, just connect it to this. You have to connect the cards to the overall energy. सो नाउ अगेन व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर फाइनेंसेस, अगर आपको किसी तरह का इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, आपको किसी हेल्प की जरूरत है, किसी एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन से एडवाइस लेने की जरूरत है, तो यू विल हैव टू मीट पीपल, यू विल हैव टू get in touch with someone who can help you or guide you. Again, अगर आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन हुई है जहाँ पे चीज़ें बहुत पेनफुली एंड हुई है, या आपने बहुत पेनफुल किसी सिचुएशन को डील किया है, एंड द थिंग्स हैव एंडेड विच हैज blocked your foresightedness, somewhere you are not able to see far, okay, so that you can take a decision now. So that you need to take some kind of advice, some kind of guidance on that. Okay, you have to be very mature in dealing with your emotions. Okay, आपको emotionally हो सकता है, आपको थोड़ा deep down you will feel emotional turmoil, you might feel happy, you might feel sad, you might feel depressed, you might feel happy again. So उस तरह की एनर्जी है, बट आपको उस एनर्जी में भी आपको बहुत स्टेबल रहने की जरूरत है. आपको पैनिक नहीं करना है, आपको अग्रेसिवली रिएक्ट नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू बी वेरी मेच्योर एंड स्टेबल. ओके, इमेच्योरली इम्पल्सिवली कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना. 1 सेकेंड, ये सॉरी, आपको इमेच्योरली इम्पल्सिवली कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. यू हैव टू बी stable, mature at an emotional level also. Okay, when it comes to your finances, आपको again as I said, immaturely कोई decision नहीं लेना है. कोई भी investment कर रहे हो बहुत planning के साथ, guidance experienced person से advice लेने के बाद आप कोई decision लीजिएगा. When it comes to your health, again as I said, emotionally आप थोड़ा सा up down हो सकता है. आप थोड़ा सा emotionally आप imbalanced feel कर सकते हो. So just try to keep that, keep yourself calm, do some meditation, or keep yourself hydrated and keep yourself calm. Okay, spend some time under moonlight. Okay, full moon hota hai na, spend some time in the moonlight, under the moonlight, and you can walk or you can sit or you can do some moon meditation. उससे भी आपको थोड़ा बहुत better feel होगा during the year. Okay, now the guidance here for you is, again, you have to be very mature and patient. Okay, जो भी situation में आप deal कर रहे हो, आपको बहुत patience के साथ, बहुत maturity के साथ deal करने की ज़रूरत है. हो सकता है during the year you might feel that nobody is understanding what I am going through, nobody understands what I am dealing with. There is nobody who can understand, nobody is, you might feel left out in the cold. Okay, basically no support around, no emotional support, nobody to guide you, understand you, support you. उस तरह की energy आ सकती है. But you have to change your perspective. It's a little difficult time and it will pass. Okay, this is not the end. Okay, this is just a journey. So you keep moving, keep walking. Okay, change your perspective. Okay, change your perspective, start counting and focusing on your blessings and things will change. Okay, you have to create balance. आपको अपना finances में इतना involved नहीं होना है, इतना busy नहीं होना है कि आप अपने emotional health को ignore करो. आपको emotional health पे इतना ज़्यादा focus नहीं करना है कि आप अपने work life पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाओ, right? So this year you have to create balance. Okay, you have to create balance in your for your emotional well-being, physical well-being, and your finances also is what I am getting here for you, Leo. So बहुत और इतना सब आप हैंडल करोगे तो देयर आर वेरी गुड चांसेस कि आप पैनिक करो, आप स्ट्रेस में आ जाओ, आप इम्पल्सिवली रिएक्ट करो. सो you have to keep in mind that you don't have to do that. You have to be patient, you have to be mature, and you have to deal with the situation with the utmost patience. Okay, बहुत धीरज के साथ, बहुत समझदारी के साथ आपको सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने की जरूरत है. Okay, that is the message I am having for you, Leo. Now the outcome here is, you will move on from something which is chaotic. Okay, जो भी आपके इमोशनल पीस को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं ना, आप उस चीज से मूव ऑन कर रहे हो, उस सिचुएशन से मूव कर रहे हो, एंड यू आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स अ calmer water. So it's like no more drama. I am done with drama and I am moving on towards my peace. I choose my peace and I'm moving towards it. उस तरह की एनर्जी है, which is a very good thing. Okay, for some of you I see that there can be a relocation. आप कहीं मूव कर सकते हो. आप हो सकता है आप किसी ऐसी प्लेस में हो, किसी ऐसी सिटी में हो, ऐसे वर्क में हो, वर्क कल्चर में हो, जहाँ पे यू आर नॉट हैविंग दैट इमोशनल पीस. सो देयर आर वेरी गुड चांसेस कि आप मूव करके किसी नई प्लेस में रिलोकेट कर जाओ, आप जॉब चेंज कर लो, आपका वर्क चेंज हो जाए, आपकी वर्क प्लेस चेंज हो जाए, या फिर आप रिलोकेट करके कहीं ऐसी जगह जाओ जहाँ पे यू विल फील एट पीस, इमोशनल पीस, मन को शांति मिलती है ना, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. सो यू आर चूजिंग योर पीस. इट कैन बी वॉकिंग अवे फ्रॉम अ सिचुएशन विच इज कॉजिंग ड्रामा इन योर लाइफ एंड यू आर लाइक, आई एम डन विद दिस ड्रामा, आई एम चूजिंग माई पीस एंड आई एम मूविंग टूवर्ड्स अ calmer water. Okay, that is the energy. Things are changing. Okay, things are changing in your favor. Time is changing for you now, Leo. So it's like जो भी tough time था, it has gone now. The wheel is turning in your favor. Okay, this energy is basically that the universe is in your favor. You are having the support from all the four corners, and you are guided, you are protected, and things are working, things are moving in your favor now. Also, for some of you I see that there is a long term stability coming in for you. Maybe it can be if you are not married, you might get into a marriage, a long term stability, a long term committed relationship. For some of you, a long term financial stability is also I see you will be having, maybe by end of the year, maybe by say August to December के बीच में हो सकता है. For some of you I am getting it strongly. I also see that something is completing here which will make you feel good. Okay, which will make you ultimately feel at peace. Okay, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. It can be again moving to a new place, starting something new in your workplace, starting new work. For some of you it can be moving to a new place, getting into a relationship, if you are single and planning to get into a relationship, there are very good chances that you will get into a committed long term stable relationship. Things are moving in your favor and things are working you know well, or I should say things are going to be in your favor by end of the year, I would say, or any situation basically जहाँ पे भी आपको थोड़ा सा you're basically dealing with a challenge. Okay, also I see when it comes to your health, nothing to worry about. Only thing is आपको impulsively decision नहीं लेना है, aggressive नहीं होना है और immaturely कोई decision नहीं लेना है, because अगर आप immaturely impulsively act करोगे तो situation will turn against you and it will cause anxiety and worry. Okay, so you just need to change your perspective, be grateful for everything, create balance between your emotional well-being, create balance for your emotional health, physical health and your finances and your workplace. Okay, deal with the things with maturity and meet people. जहाँ पे भी ज़रूरत लगती है आपको guidance लेने की ज़रूरत लगती है, आप please guidance लीजिए and that will help you. Okay, that will help you to decide and move. Okay, she wolf, what this is the guidance we have for you, Leo. So it's like unleash the wolf within. Okay, so enough of being this okay ji haan ji, I am very obedient, I am very basically killing yourself. Leo कैसे होता है ना, Leo is the सिंह राशि, right? So शेर नहीं डरता है किसी से, so बहुत हो गया वो डर डर के हाँ जी ना जी करने वाली एनर्जी, इट्स डन. So you have to unleash that wolf within. जहाँ पे भी जरूरत है you need to speak, you need to protect your peace, you have to be logical. ये एनर्जी है ना, ये वही वाली एनर्जी है, being logical, being clear, also sometimes being blunt in your communication. जो भी confusion है उसको clear करो, जो भी emotions है, I am not entertaining unnecessary emotions, I am being logical, I am being clear in my communication and I have set boundaries wherever it is required. Okay, this is also the energy you have to carry during the year, Leo. Okay, so that's the energy I have for you, Leo. That's the message I have for you, Leo, for 2026. If you have liked it, please do like this video. Please claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.